Welcome back to Taste of Mountain. Today, we are making one of the most flavorful and beloved dishes, Chicken Dum Biryani. To begin this flavorful journey, let's make our special biryani masala. Heat up a pan on medium flame and add 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 8 to 9 spicy red chilies, 3 to 4 bay leaves, 7 to 8 green cardamoms, 1 black cardamom, 2-inch piece of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of black peppercorns, 1 teaspoon of cloves, and 1 Mace. Give it a quick toss, releasing that incredible aroma. Now, add 1 tablespoon of Kasuri Methi, half a grated nutmeg, and just a pinch of salt. This brings out the flavors perfectly. And continue roasting everything together. Once done, cool down the mixture and grind it, and there you have it, your homemade biryani masala. Let's make the barista. Heat some refined oil in a wok on medium to high heat. Take half kg of finely sliced onions and fry them evenly. Keep a close watch as they turn a beautiful golden brown color. Now look, golden brown color is coming. Onions are fried nicely, now take it off. This is what gives biryani its signature richness. Once ready, spread the barista on a plate to cool quickly. Keep the fragrant oil for later. This oil will add an extra depth of flavor to our biryani. Now, let's marinate the chicken for that juicy, melt-in-your-mouth tenderness. Take 1 kilogram of fresh chicken pieces and add salt to taste. Juice from half a lemon. One tablespoon of ginger paste. 1.5 tablespoons of garlic paste. 1.5 tablespoons of green chili paste, 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chili powder for that vibrant red color, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of our freshly prepared biryani masala, 200 grams of thick curd, a small handful of chopped coriander and mint leaves, 1 small cup of barista oil, 2 tablespoons of ghee, and finally, a small handful of crispy barista. Mix everything well. and let the chicken marinate for at least 1 to 2 hours. This will ensure the most flavorful, succulent chicken. Let's cook the chicken. Now heat 5 to 6 tablespoons of ghee in a wok and add marinated chicken. After a while, stir gently and cook. If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel Taste of Mountain and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss our new recipes. Keep stirring to cook evenly. Remember, we will cook chicken 90% only. Now chicken is ready, set it aside. Let's prepare the rice. Bring water to a boil and add salt as required. And these whole spices for that aromatic touch. 1 star anise, 2 green cardamoms, 7 to 8 cloves, 1 inch piece of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 8 to 9 black peppercorns, 2 bay leaves, and 1 to 2 slit green chilies. Now, add half kg of basmati rice that's been washed and soaked for an hour. The water level has reduced a bit here. Along with 3 to 4 tablespoons of refined oil and the juice of half a lemon, including the peel. While the rice is boiling, let's make saffron milk. Take 100 milliliters of lukewarm milk, add saffron strands, and set it aside. Cook the rice till it's 70 to 80% done. Remember, the rest of the cooking will happen when we put it on dum. Look at that beautiful color, it's perfect. Now it's time for the final step, layering and cooking on dum. In a large pot, spread the marinated chicken as the base. Lay the semi-cooked rice over it. Now, sprinkle a small handful of chopped coriander and mint. A small handful of crispy Barista. half a tablespoon of biryani masala, a drizzle of saffron milk. If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel Taste of Mountain and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss our new recipes. 2 tablespoons of ghee, 2 tablespoons of kevra water, and 2 tablespoons of rose water. Add another layer of rice and repeat the same toppings. Now, sprinkle a small handful of chopped coriander and mint, a small handful of crispy Barista, 2 tablespoons of kevra water, and 2 tablespoons of rose water. A drizzle of saffron milk, half a tablespoon of biryani masala, place a tawa under the pot and seal the pot with kneaded dough. But leave a small stick inside to release excess pressure. And take it out after putting the lid on. Place something heavy on the lid and let it cook on low heat for 20 minutes, then another 10 minutes with the gas off. Once done, open the lid and inhale that amazing aroma. Your delicious, restaurant-style chicken dum biryani is ready to be served. And there you have it, friends, the perfect chicken dum biryani. With layers of flavor, tender chicken, and fragrant rice. Don't forget to try this at home and share your experience in the comments below.